Hey everyone, welcome to Coding with Vishwa. If you are looking to master C program from scratch, you are in the right place. In the last video, we have seen the history of C program, its feature, why it is still relevant in 2025, and also basic structure of C programming. If you have not watched it, then watch it. Link is provided in the description. In this video, we will see some fundamentals in C like comments, keywords, identifiers, and data types and input output operations in C. And at last we will see one C program that will add two numbers and give the sum as output using input output operation. Make sure to watch till end, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin the video. Comments in C. Comments are used to explain code and they are ignored by the compiler. For example, when you are working in a company and write some code that will be understandable by you, but if you add comments, then it will increase code readability and help team members to understand the code logic and maintain code effectively. These are ignored by the compiler. You can write anything in the comment that will not affect the program. There are different types of comments. They are single line comment and multiple line comment. Let us understand these with an example. Now in this example we will going to print a hello world. First we will execute this code without adding any comment. By right clicking on the mouse and click on run code, we will get hello world as an output. Now let us try to add a single line comment which will be written as double slash and set of statements like a program to print hello world. This is a single line comment. Now let us try to execute this program by clicking on run code. Now you can see that same hello world as an output because comments are ignored by the compiler. Now let us try to add multi-line comment which are written as slash star and set of statements between them such as hello world. Now let us try to execute this program by clicking on run code. Now you can see that same hello world as an output. Keywords in C. Keywords are the reserved words in C that have predefined meaning and cannot be used for other purposes such as naming a variable or a function. List of keyword. Data types like int, float, char. About this data type we will discuss in the further part of this video. Next we have conditional statements like if and switch. Next we have looping statements like for loop, while loop and etc. Next we have control flow like break and continue. About these three keywords we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Apart from these four keywords, there are still more keywords which are not important, but about all these keywords we have mentioned in our notes. For notes you can join our Telegram channel, link is provided in the description. Identifiers in C. Identifiers are the names given to the various program elements like variables, functions, arrays, and structures. Identifiers are used to uniquely identify the program elements. Rules of identifier. An identifier must begin with a letter or an underscore. The identifier must not begin with numbers and special character. The rest of the identifiers can include letter, number, and underscore. Identifier cannot be a C keyword. We cannot use for, if, switch as an identifier. Identifiers are case sensitive, meaning small n and capital N are different identifiers. The length of an identifier is not restricted by the C, but some compilers may issue a limit, which means identifiers not have limit for their length, but by using exclusively long identifier can reduce code readability and cause probability issues. It's best to use meaningful names for best management. Declaring variable in C. Declaration is a process of specifying the type and name of the variable without assigning a value. Syntax for declaring a variable is data type space variable name. For example, int space age, where int is a data type and age is a variable name. Next we will have initializing variable in C. Initialization is a process of declaring a variable and assigning it an initial value at the same time. Syntax for initialization is data type space variable name equal to initial value. For example, int age equal to 25, where int is the data type and age is the variable name and 25 is the initial value. Input output operation. The printf function is used to display text, variables and formatted data on the screen. Syntax: printf formatted string and argument. Example: printf the integer value is %d, num. The value of num is printed in the space of %d. The scanf function is used to take input from the user through the console. Syntax: scanf formatted string, ampersand variable. Example: scanf %d, %num. We will understand about this printf and scanf using one example. In this example, we will simply input one number and print it as an output. First, we need to declare one variable which is integer. Next, we have printf statement which prints enter number. Next, we have scanf statement which take input from the console. Next, we have another printf statement which will give us back output. Now, let us execute this one and see. After executing, you can see that it is giving a statement like enter a number. Now let us enter 20 and press enter. Now we got output as integer is 20, where %d is replaced by the value of number which is given as 20. Data types in C. In C, data types define the type of a data the variable can hold. Categories of data type: basic data type, derived data type, type modifiers. We shall discuss about these categories with an example. Now let us take one program to understand data types. First we will declare some basic data types like integer, int a which is equal to 10. We use printf statement, printf %d comma a. Now let us execute this. After executing, we got 10 as an output. Now let us comment out this, and next we will declare a floating value, float b equal to 3.1. Next we will give printf statement, printf %f comma b. %f is used to print a floating value. Now let us execute this. After executing, we got 3.1000 as an output. Now let us try to print a character data type. To declare a character, we need to use a char as a keyword and ch which is equal to a. Next printf statement, printf %c comma ch. Now let us try to execute it. After executing, we will get a as an output. Now let us try to execute some more data types like derived data types. In derived data types, we will consider array. First we need to give the data type of an array, int, and a name of the array, bracket, comma, and in the double bracket we need to give elements 10, 20, 30. Next we will use printf statement to print the value of array, %d comma a of 0. The element at the 0th index will be get printed. Now let us execute it. After executing, we got a 10 as an output which is in the 0th index. About array we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Now let us see one simple program where we will find the addition of two numbers. First we need to declare first number, int num1 which is equal to 10, and next number int num2 which is equal to 20, and another variable int sum to store the sum value. Next we have sum equal to num, num plus num1 plus num2. Next we have printf statement to print %d comma sum. Let us execute it. After executing, we got 30 as an output. Now let us find the subtraction of these two number. We need to change this sign to minus, and now let us execute it. After executing, we got minus 10 as an output, because num1 is 10 and num2 is 20. After subtracting 20 from 10, we got minus 10 as an output. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, put them in the comment section below. In the next video, we will see operators in C. For complete notes, join to our Telegram channel, whose link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching.